everyone, and welcome back to another Monday T BAG Collab. This week it was my week to pick, and the challenge I picked for the T BAG team is Gina DeLuca's Boulder cells. So this is the first time I've ever done this, so I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, but we're going to have fun doing it anyways. So I will tell you what colors I am going to use, and it's a monochromatic color scheme today, for me anyways. So I mixed a half a cup of Liquitex Dioxazine purple with a half a cup of Loft Phthalo blue together. So it made this really nice, cool looking blue. And I mixed this 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol. And then I added the mixture Gina DeLuca uses to thin out her paints, which is basically 90% water to 10% Floetrol. And then from that color, I just mixed a gradient of other colors with it. I don't know, can you see that? There we go. So I did 1 tablespoon, actually probably 1.5 tablespoons of the mixture I mixed up with the purple and blue, and a tablespoon of Satin Enamel DecoArt. So there's that. And then, of course, the Floetrol to thin it out. And then this mixture, I took a half a tablespoon of blue and purple mixture and a tablespoon of the Satin Enamel plus the Loft Flow Acrylic White. Okay, and then I mixed a tablespoon of white Satin Enamel and the Loft with the Floetrol and the water and Floetrol to get this nice thin consistency. And I just put like a little drizzle. I took a stick like this and drizzled a couple of drops of the purple and blue mixture, and that's what I got. I'm going to put a base coat of this on my canvas, and then we will pour some paint, shall we? I'll be right back. All right, I have put down my base color, and I put a little bit in my pouring container as well. And now I'm just gonna go from dark to light, and I'm gonna pour it up high, and hopefully it'll all mix awesomely. So my first color up high, so that these colors mix. Awesome. My lighter color and the lightest color. I've also poured a layer of the base color on top as well. So now all I'm gonna do is slowly pour in the center circles.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. This really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
Alright, here we are. I've scraped it, the edges, a few times. This is really cool. I hope it stays like this. I'm not sure if it will or not. So, dry results. Please peek it to me. Please. Okay, close up. Wow, that's amazing. So much fun. Look at those cells. And there you go. Thank you for joining me today in the T BAG Collab. Up next is Brenda Allender, aka Creations from the Table. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Here is the results of the dried painting. I also top coated it with DecoArt. There we go. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put another coat on it, but here it is. Boulder cells inspired by Gina DeLuca. And just a close-up.